In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images side by side in Google Docs. By the end, you'll be able to place two pictures neatly next to each other without wrestling with formatting. First, open your document and head to the top menu. Click Insert, then hover over Image. For this example, we'll bring images in from the web. You can use the built-in Search the Web option or paste a direct link if you already have one. The key is simply to access images from the internet within the Insert menu so they land in your document quickly. In the image panel, look for the pictures you want and select two of them. Most browsers and Google Docs let you select multiple images by clicking each thumbnail before inserting. Choosing them at the same time helps keep your workflow simple and ensures both arrive on the page together. Once you've made your selections, press Insert. The images will appear in your document, usually stacked one above the other. Don't worry if they look too large or misaligned at first. This is expected before we change the layout. Next, click the first image to bring up the formatting toolbar that appears beneath or above it. Change its text wrapping to break text. Do the same for the second image. Break text tells Google Docs to keep the images on their own line without wrapping words around them, which makes it much easier to position them side by side. With break text applied, click and drag the second image to the right of the first one. If they don't fit on one line yet, that just means they need to be resized. Select an image and drag a corner handle inward to make it smaller. Using the corner handles maintains the proper proportions so your pictures don't look stretched. Repeat with the other image until both comfortably sit on the same line. Take a moment to fine-tune the layout. Aim for matching heights so the tops or bottoms align cleanly. As you move images, you may see helpful blue alignment guides that make it easy to line them up precisely. If you need small adjustments, a quick tap of the arrow keys while an image is selected can give you subtle nudges. That's all there is to it. Insert your images from the web, place them on the page, switch each one to break text, and then resize and align them until they sit neatly side by side. With these steps, your Google Doc will look polished and professional in just a few moments.